Hello everyone, this is Gao. Today, I will show you how to restore, season, and maintain a Chinese wok. If it is a new wok, use dish detergent and a scrubbing sponge to clean the wok first. If your wok is old, even rusted, or previous coating has peeled off, or your wok is very sticky, need to be re-seasoned, this is what you need. Steel wool. I'm using grade 0. Add some dish detergent and water, then scrub the wok with the steel wool. Now you see the bubbles turn into dark brown color. Turn around and scrub the bottom as well. Then rinse with water. After dried with kitchen towel, you can see the color of original carbon steel. Turn on the stove and heat up the wok until it starts smoking. Rotate the wok around to make sure that the heat is evenly distributed. Let's take a look at oil. Seasoning is a process that fat polymerizes when heated to a certain degree. The more the unsaturated fat, the better the result. The best oil is flaxseed oil, which has the highest unsaturated fat. All these oils are unsaturated enough to do the job. Here, I'm using canola oil today. The wok is smoking hot. Let's rub the first layer of oil. Make sure you reach all the corners. Continue to heat it up until the oil is completely burnt. Then rub the second layer. Each time, you make sure it is a very thin layer of oil. What you need is a strong buildup by each thin layer of coating. This is the fifth layer of oil. If it is a new wok, you need to season the back as well to protect it from rusting. When the wok is completely dried, turn off the heat. Let it cool down. Let's see the result. Right now, there's no oil in the wok. Heat up the wok a bit and crack an egg. You can see very clearly that egg did not stick to the wok at all. Right after cooking, while the wok is still hot, do not wash the wok with cold water because the carbon steel is very thin. Eventually, it will become wobbly. Wash it when it is cooled down a little bit. You can use regular kitchen dish detergent. Modern dish detergent is very mild and will not dissolve the non-stick layer. After it is seasoned, better not to use abrasive metallic pads to clean. This is the wok in which we just fried an egg. It is very easy to clean. After wash clean, heat it up one more time to evaporate all the water drops. Then rub a thin layer of oil. This step is important for a newly seasoned wok. But if the coating is strong and thick enough, you can leave out the last step. Today, I talk about Chinese wok. Cast iron pans are similar, but there are differences too. Another video, I will talk how to take care of your cast iron pans. Thanks for watching and see you next time.